Hi Stuart, here's your Fanfare 190 DF, all up and running again, as it should be. Receiving just fine there. Just going to transmit so everything's working through different channels. Somebody's in there. They're on FM. Okay. Got the channels. They're working. Okay, so transmitting. Can't really see that light too well. There you go, that's better. 1, 2, audio. Audio. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Audio. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Audio. Alright, so transmitting, receiving. I can go to an AM set. 2, 3, 4, 5. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Okay, so all working. Hopefully you'll be happy with that. Alright buddy, cheers.